Welcome to Unacademy CAT4MBA channel. My name is Ronak Shah, and in this session we are going to practice plenty of questions of functions. So as you know that last week we started with all the topics of modern maths, and this is the sixth session of that. So in case if you missed out the previous session, please watch all the previous videos in the playlist on our channel and make sure that you have subscribed to our channel. Okay, so before I go ahead, in case if you are attending my session for the first time, let me quickly tell you about my profile. So here is my profile. I have completed my MBA and I'm also an engineer. I have more than 12 years of training experience, and I have trained plenty of students for CAT and other entrance exam. Not only myself, we have the best of the educators on this channel. So make sure that you have subscribed to this channel. Okay, so this is what we are going to do in this session. We are going to quickly revise the important points and then we'll start with the practicing questions. In case if you are planning to go for subscription, then you can use my referral code, which is SHAH10, and using this you will get 10% waiver and you will be able to interact with me. So guys, let's begin. Let's crack it. Yeah, so let me quickly see who all are there right now. So there are a few students watching us live. Hi everyone, good evening. So in the previous session, as I mentioned, that function is nothing but relationship between two variables, right? One of them is called dependent variable and the other is called independent variable. So as I mentioned earlier, I mean, we can take area of circle, which is pi r square. So you can say area of circle is nothing but function of its radius. So this is how we can mention. And in this one, radius is the independent variable, and this area, or you can say which is function of radius, is called dependent variable. Right. So in the context of this dependent and independent variable, we need to understand what is domain and range. So set of all the possible values which independent variable can take, it's called domain. So domain has something to do with independent variable, and set of all possible values that the function can take is called range, or you can say dependent variable can take its range. So this has something to do with the dependent variable. Yeah, then we also discussed different types of functions, like one function, so one input one output, one function, one many function. As you know, one many function we don't need to discuss because it's not defined as a regular function. Then odd function, even function, composite, and so on and so forth. So here is the list of functions that we had discussed earlier. Yeah, so make sure that you are well versed with the basics of functions, right? And as I mentioned earlier also, whether you take CAT or any other entrance exam, the questions of functions are very tricky. Although there is no direct concept that is required, but then your understanding to the number system, your understanding to the algebra or maybe geometry and other topics of modern maths like logarithm or progression and all, that will be required to solve this functions question. So the only way to master this particular topic is by practicing plenty of questions, and that is what we are going to do today. So here is one question on your screen. Quickly try to solve this question and then tell me the answer, everyone. Yeah, hi Robin, Sumit, Dhwani. Hi Dhwani. હું મજામાં છું. How are you? So yeah, everyone, please try to solve this question and tell me what will be the answer. Okay, so intentionally we are starting with easy question. As you can see, first we'll have to find out f of 2 3. So here there are two independent variables, x and y, and this f of xy will be called a dependent variable. So what we need to do is to find out f of 2 3, you need to put x equal to 2 and you need to put y equal to 3. So just put x equal to 2 in this one and y equal to 3 in this one, and tell me what will be f of 2 3 over here. Quickly, everyone. What will be the value of f of 2 3? Can I say it will be 3 into 2 square minus 2 into 2 into 3. I'm just replacing x with 2 and y with 3, right? Minus 3 square plus 4. So this 4 3s are 12, minus 12, this will get cancelled off, and minus 3 square plus 4, it's minus 5. So f of 2 3 I got as minus 5. Yeah, same way, can you find out what is f of minus 1 1? So again replace x with -1. So 3 into -1 square minus 2 into -1. Y will be replaced by 1. So 1 minus 1 square plus 4. Now check what is this value, everyone. So this is going to be 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus 4. Isn't that, everyone? So this will come out to be 4 plus 4, 8. Right? So we got this one as -5 and this one as 8. So now what we need to do is we need to find out f of -5 and 8. That means we need to replace x with -5 and y with 8. So if I do it, I'll get this one, 3 into -5 square minus 2 into -5 into 8 minus 8 square plus 4. And if you solve this thing, you will get this result as 95. Are you all getting this answer? Yeah, I don't think this is a difficult question. This is a simple question, isn't that, everyone? Yeah, so quickly show me a thumbs up, guys, if you have understood up till now. So shall we go to next question? Everyone, are you all clear with this? Yep, great. So let's go ahead and try for this one. Now this is a good question. It will test your understanding to the numbers. So I'm giving you 1 minute time. Please think for this question and tell me what will be the answer. F of x denotes the sum of the digits of the positive integer, right? So for example, here it's given f of 8 will be 8. F of 1, 2, 3 means you need to just add the digits, so result will be 6. So same you need to do. So for how many 2-digit values of x, f of fx equal to 3. Means if I take a number like this one, something like this, 345, right? So what is the sum of the digits? 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 12, isn't that? 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12, correct. So now if I want to find out f of 345, already I know this one is 12, so I need to find out f of 12, and it will come out to be 1 plus 2, which is 3. So basically you need to find out the result up to 1-digit summation, as simple as that, right? Mostly you will get 1 digit as the summation. Oh great, Dhwani, that's correct. It's option D, 10. Yes, there are 10 such numbers. And Dhwani, quickly write down the numbers. Which are those 10 numbers? Can you quickly write down? So guys, for how many numbers will we get summation as 3? Correct. So can I say if I take 3, I'll get summation as 3. Then of course I'll have to take 12, then 21, then 30. So this is how you will think, right? Then is there any number in the range 31 to 40? Okay, no. So rather than doing it this way, see, all these numbers will directly produce result as 3, isn't that? All these numbers will directly produce the result as 3. Now what if I take some number, say 57? Can I say 57, f of 57 will be 12 and f of 12 will produce result 3? So ultimately now we need to find out how many numbers will produce, or sum of which numbers will be 12. Yeah. So which 2-digit numbers will add up to 12, guys? So let's start with 1. So of course there will be no such number. If I take 2, so 2 plus 9 will also not be 12. If I take 3, so 3993. Then what are the numbers? 4884, isn't that? So this is how we'll have to write down. Then 5775 and 66. So all these numbers will add up to 12. Same way, do we have any 2-digit number which add up to 21? No, because even if I take 99, 9 plus 9 will be 18. So there will be no 2-digit number, because here we need to find out how many 2-digit numbers are there, right? So of course we'll take 3, 12, 21 and 30 plus. So these are how many numbers? These are 4 numbers. Plus we'll have to take these numbers. Are you getting this point? So total number of numbers that will come out to be, acha, we need to take 2-digit numbers, so we can't take 3, by the way. So these are 3 numbers and these are 7 numbers. So total we have 10 numbers, as rightly mentioned by Dhwani. Good, Dhwani. So have you all understood this question? See, this is function. I mean, you will find any question, which has nothing to do with as such function. So it is completely dependent on the other areas like number system or algebra, as I mentioned. So we are going to discuss varieties of question today. Yep. So let's go ahead. Okay. So guys, why don't you tell me the answer for this one? See, now this tests your understanding to logarithm. This is a simple question. So can you quickly tell me what is the answer? I don't think you need to do anything over here. You just need to observe what is mentioned and you need to pick the option. Yes, guys, what will be the answer? What do you suggest for this? Do you remember that rule? Log of x into y is equal to log of x plus log of y. Yes or no? So actually, instead of gx, I should have x into y. So the value of gx should be x into y. Isn't that? Because if gx is x square, then what is log of x square? Log of x square will be 2 log of x. I'm sure you remember all this laws of logarithm. If not, then you can find my video on logarithm, the basics of logarithm. Please go through that video. So at least the basics of logarithm will be covered and you will be able to tackle such questions. Yes, guys, do you all agree? So we wanted g of x to be x into y, and that's why we'll tick mark none of this. You also do not get confused by looking at the question. The question structure will always be complicated in the functions question. And this is what we are going to do today. I'm going to give you plenty of questions which will look complicated initially. But then if you just deep dive, you will feel that it's actually very simple question. Yes, everyone. So show me thumbs up quickly. Yep. Robin and others. Exactly no answer from option. Okay. Great. Fine. So go ahead. No, Dhwani. You just had to remember this rule. How about you, Varshini? Have you understood this? Sumit and others? I mean, I am not able to see few names. Probably they are not subscribed to the channel. So probably they are not able to comment. So why don't you quickly press the subscribe button and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can also participate in the discussion. Everyone, all those who are watching right now. Okay, so let's try for this one. And this is a good question. This is a CAT question. Precisely. Chalo, let me see who answers this question. I'm giving you 2 minutes time to solve this. 2 minutes, guys. It's fairly sufficient. Yeah, good. Where is Nicole and Rajat and all? I don't see them. Nicole, are you there? Rajat? Okay, and simultaneously, guys, please type in, please tell me that how many percentile are you targeting in CAT? Please type a number. That's where I'm targeting at least this much percentile. Can you quickly tell me? Everyone? 2 minutes. Let's see what do you do in 2 minutes. Just to give you one hint, guys, this can be rewritten as f of x plus 2 is equal to f of x plus 1 minus f of x. Okay, that's it. Dhwani, yes, awesome. 100 percentile. Okay, great. This is called confidence, and you must have that, guys. Varshini, at least 95. Okay. Robin, 95 plus. Great, guys. And see, I have been teaching you for almost a month now. Okay. And I know that each of you have that potential, guys. You can get it. Just plan your preparation properly. It should not happen that you are just focusing on quant. You need to equally focus on verbal, LRDI. Also start thinking about what after CAT. That means your interview preparation and all. That would really be helpful. So have preparation in totality rather than doing in a la carte manner. Okay guys, so let's look at this question. So I have given you a hint. In fact, this question is of recursive function question. Recursive function matlab the values will start getting repeated after a point of time. Okay, so any answer for this question, or do you want me to explain? So guys, in such question, just to simplify, let's assume f of 1 is equal to a and f of 2 is equal to b. Let me just simplify this question for you. Okay, right. Yes, Robin, that's where my experience come in the picture. I have seen this thing happening over a period of time, and it will be of no use. You solve 100 questions of function from Arun Sharma, Sarvesh Kumar, XYZ. Unless you give a thought on that question, things would not work out. Of course, I can't give you 15 minutes over here during this session. But yes, this session should act as food for thought. You should know, okay, okay, I can think like this, I can think like that and all. And then when you sit with your notebooks, when you sit with your practice book, then you give sufficient time to each question, and then you give up. Don't give up so easily. So I'm sure that would be helpful and you will see the difference. Okay guys, so just pay your attention. Let me help you solve this question, because this kind of question have been asked very frequently. Almost every 2-3 years you see one such question which is based on recursive function. So let's understand that f of 1 is a and f of 2 is equal to b. Now let's take x equal to 1 over here. So I'll get, if I put x equal to 1, can I say I'll get f of 3 which is equal to f of 2 minus f of 1, because x equal to 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2 and this is 1. What is f of 2? It's b, and f of 1 is a, so I'll get f of 3 as b minus a. So same way, when I take x equal to 2, what will I get as f of 4? Can I say f of 4 will be f of 3 minus f of 2? So f of 3 is b minus a minus f of 2 which is b, so you will be left with minus of a. Same way, if you try to find out f of 5, so f of 5 will be f of 4 minus f of 3, that is minus of a minus b minus a. So if you solve this thing, you will get minus of b, isn't that? Same way, let me just do it and you will see that values will start getting repeated. Okay, so this is what we want to observe. F of 6 will be f of 5 minus f of 4, that is minus b plus a, and f of 7 will be equal to f of 6 minus f of 5, so minus b plus a minus b, so it will come out to be a. So of course f of 8, if you just solve this thing, you will get that as b, and f of 9, once again it will be b minus a. Can you see that f of 3 came out to be b minus a, so f of 9 came out to be b minus a. So can I say f of 3 will be equal to f of 9 will be equal to, so f of 15 and so on and so forth. So same way, f of 4 will be equal to, I'm just writing it over here, f of 4 will be equal to f of 10, which will be equal to f of 16 and so on and so forth, right? Everyone, have you understood this? So ultimately, if I want to find out f of 16, I need to find out f of 4. Okay, now guys, can you tell me what is the value of a and what is the value of b? See, f of 5 is given as 7 and f of 9 is given as minus 9. So can I say b minus a, let me just write over here, b minus a, f of 9 is equal to b minus a, which is equal to minus 9, and f of 5 is f of, what is f of 5 over here? Minus b, which is given as 7, so b equal to minus 7. If b is minus 7 and b minus a is minus 9, so what will be a over here? Can I say a should be 2? Everyone, have you understood this? Have you understood up till now? So we got B and A value, and now we need to find out f of 16. So for that we'll have to find out f of 4. So what is f of 4? It's minus of A. And what is A? 2. So your f of 16 will come out to be minus 2. That is option B. I hope all of you have understood this. Have you all understood this, guys? Show me a thumbs up if you have understood, or do you want me to explain again? Shall we solve this question once again? Or you can do it after the session if you want. You can just watch this, all the steps once again. See, once again, I assume the value of f of 1, then I assume the value of f of 2, because I know this kind of function, f of x plus 2 is equal to f of x plus 1 minus f of x. It's going to be a recursive function. Okay. So that's why I started with f of 1 as A, f of 2 as B, and then I found out f of 3, f of 4, f of 5, and so on and so forth. And I saw the pattern that f of 9 came out to be same as f of 3. So of course f of 10 will come out to be same as f of 4, and so on and so forth. And of course we are given two values, so we can find out A and B, and then we have to find out f of 16, which is equal to f of 10. Yep. Okay, so let's solve once again, guys. Let's solve everything once again, and I'll just write it slightly in a step-by-step manner. So once again, we'll start with this one, f of 1 equal to A, f of 2 equal to B, and what is given to me? So it is, I can just rewrite this one as f of x plus 2 equal to f of x plus 1 minus f of x. Just I'll quickly finish this thing, 30 seconds. Okay, so of course if I take x equal to 1, so I'll get f of 3, which is equal to f of 2 minus f of 1. So this is f of 2 minus f of 1, which is equal to b minus a. Same way, f of 4 will be equal to f of 3 minus f of 2. So if you just solve this thing, this is b minus a, and f of 2 is b. So if you solve that, it will come out to be minus a. Same way you will get f of 5 as minus a minus b plus a, so it's going to be minus b. Same way f of 6, if you solve, f of 6 will come out to be minus b plus a, and f of 7, so it will be this minus this. See, every next value, f of 7 is difference of f of 6 and f of 5, that is f of 6 minus f of 5. So if I subtract this one from this one, I'll be left with a. F of 8, if I solve, I'll get b. F of 9 will again come out to be b minus a, which is nothing but equal to f of 3. So I can say f of 10 will be equal to f of 4, and so on and so forth. F of 11 will be equal to f of 5. So same way, f of 16 will be equal to f of 10, and further f of 10 is equal to f of 4. So this is what we need to find out. We need to find out f of 16, which is equal to f of 4. What is f of 4? It's minus of a. So we need to find out value of this minus of a. Now I know f of 5 as 7. What is f of 5? Minus b. So I can say minus of b is equal to 7. So b equal to minus 7. That's one thing. F of 9. What is f of 9? B minus a. B minus a. F of 9, which is equal to b minus a, which is equal to 7 minus a, which is equal to minus 9. So of course I got a as 2. If a is 2, so minus of a will be minus 2. Are you all clear now, everyone? Yep. Okay, great. Fine guys, so let's go ahead. Acha, do not forget to press the like button. If you are enjoying this session, please press the like button quickly. And yes, if you want to attend more of my session, then every day I'm conducting session from this one 9 to 10 p.m. in this week. I'm not conducting 2 to 3 p.m. session. From next week onwards, once again I'll start with some new series. So on YouTube, every day 9 to 10 p.m. I conduct CAT session. Every Saturday on YouTube I conduct marathon. Apart from that, you can also attend my free sessions on Unacademy app. So quickly download Unacademy app and search me by this name, Ronak Kumar Shah. So in case you don't find, just click on the all educator button and you will see my name over there and follow me, or you can directly ping me on my Telegram ID and I'll give you my direct profile link, and you can attend my daily sessions 5 to 6 on this Unacademy app. Okay, so these are also daily live sessions but on Unacademy platform. Yeah, apart from seeing live lectures, Varshini, at least 3 years you will have to put efforts. So maybe you can spend 3 years, 3 to 4 hours in watching lectures, and another 3 to 4 hours if you are targeting 95 plus percentile. So 3 to 4 hours in practicing, right? 6 days a week, and seventh day, as I always mention, assign 1 day for mock test. Okay, assign 1 day for mock test. So maybe in a week, maybe Friday or Thursday or Friday, because Saturday Sunday I'm conducting marathon session, and that's a good revision, so don't miss those marathon sessions. So you can assign one of this Monday to Friday for mock test. Afternoon में आप mock test लिख लो. Yeah, so I didn't get this, Dhwani, why are you writing all the numbers again? Yes, there is no rule, all logic. Okay, so apply logic here, everyone, and tell me what's the order. So you will have to enter the order. So for example, 3, 1, 2, 4, or something like that. Of course, this is not correct. I'm just giving you one example. So please tell me the order from smallest to largest, ascending order. Everyone, quickly do it. Guys, please try for this question quickly. Yeah, so which one is the smallest among this? Guys, in fact, if you look at the graph, can I say this is a linear function? So graph of linear function is something like this. This is an exponential function. This is also an exponential function, and this is a parabolic function, right? So parabolic function will be like this. Exponential function, of course, it will be like this. So, and this is also exponential function, but here it's e while here it's 2. So e is 2.718. So definitely this will be increasing faster, and at infinity this will have higher values, because we are taking t to infinity. That means we are taking largest value of t. Okay, so suppose if you take t as 1000 or 10,000, which among this one will be greater? So 2 raised to 1000 will be greater, or 1000 square will be greater, guys? Of course 2 raised to 1000 will be greater, isn't that? Yes. So I'm sure you understand that, and that's why this has square while this has power of something. This has power of 2. Correct? So let me once again tell you, the smallest one will be this one. So we will write this is the order. The order will be like this: 2, then we'll have this one 4, then we'll have this one first, and then we'll have third. Yes, everyone, do you agree with this? Why this one is the largest? Have you all understood this? Show me a thumbs up quickly. Yes. Okay. Fine, guys. So let's go ahead. Now this is also a simple question. Guys, let me just tell you. Y equal to f of x and f of x equal to 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Then which of the following is true? Okay. So to f of 2x is equal to f of x minus 1. Is that true? Is this statement true? So what you'll do is instead of x, you will replace it with 2x. So f of 2x will be 1 minus 2x upon 1 plus 2x. Is it equal to f of x minus 1? No, because f of x is 1 minus x upon 1 plus x minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus x minus 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. So this will come out to be minus 2x upon 1 plus x, right? So these two are not equal. So this is not true. Correct? Same way you can prove this will also not be true. This will also not be true. But this is true. Why? Please understand. Y equal to f of x. So let me replace x with y and y with x. So what will I get? If I replace x with y and y with x, so I'll get x equal to f of y. So we can always write it this way. This is always true. Right? Everyone? So the answer for this one is this D. Okay. So this was a simple question, a conceptual question rather. Now we have all once again CAT questions. All CAT question. Now try for this. Let me tell you, this is again a recursive function. Can you see this one? This is again going to be a recursive function. But it's a different type of recursive function. So for example, this one can be written as g of x plus 1 equal to g of x minus g of x minus 1. So as you can see, this is going to be a recursive function. The example that we took earlier, over there it was like this one, x plus 2 equal to f of x plus 1 minus f of x. It's one and same, na? Instead of 2 there is 1 over here, instead of x plus 1 it's x over here, instead of x it's x minus 1 over here. So it's going to be a recursive function. So tell me what will be the answer for this. This is a CAT question, as I mentioned. Chalo, I'm giving you 1 minute time to figure out this thing. Everyone, please tell me your answer quickly. So Dhwani, how did you come to know about CAT for MBA? Can you just tell us? Did you attend any of my special session or some of your friend told you about this? And same way, Sumit, how did you come to know about us? Correct, it's this one. So if you take p is equal to 6, so we are saying g of x plus 6 is equal to g of x. Let's see guys, let's understand this part. So as I mentioned, I can write this one as g of x plus 1 equal to g of x minus g of x minus 1, right? Okay, so over here I'll start with x equal to 2. So if I take x equal to 2, so I'll get g of 3 is equal to oh, is it okay? G of 2 minus g of 1. Okay guys, let me tell you one thing, just a moment. If you go ahead with this way, you will not understand anything, because then you will get g of 10 is equal to g of 9 minus g of 8. So ultimately we'll be going over there and there. So what we need to do is we need to assume value of g. We need to take some values. G of 2 let's take as b, and g of 1 let's take as a, so that we come to some conclusion. Okay, so guys, let's once again do it. So can I say g of 3 will be equal to b minus a, then g of 4 will be equal to b minus a minus b, so it will be minus a g of 5 will be equal to this is going to be the same. So over there also in the previous question there was a difference of 6. Here also it's going to be the difference of 6, but still it's my duty to solve the complete question, so we will solve it, okay, without any worry. So let's solve it. So g of 5 is g of 4 minus g of 3, so this will come out to be minus b. Then g of 6 will be again equal to minus b plus a. Then g of 7 will be again equal to, if you just solve this thing, so this will come out to be a. G of 8 will come out to be b, and g of 9 will come out to be again b minus a, which is nothing but equal to g of 3. So I can say g of x plus 6 is equal to g of x. Yes or no? When I take x equal to 3, so I'll get g of 9, and over here I'll get g of 3. So that's why this is the value of p. Yes, everyone, have you understood this? Great. So let's go ahead. Now guys, next time onwards, if you come across any of the recursive function question, please do not fumble. The standard way of identifying recursive function is this particular thing. Okay, so you should be able to quickly figure out, and see, this cat people keep asking repetitive questions, so please figure out, and you should not waste more than 1.5 minute time on that question. Whosoever solves this question will surely get 90 plus percentile. So guys, first of all, you try to make sure that you go above 90 plus percentile. You should be able to answer this question. This is completely a common sense question, logic question. I'll not call it common sense, I'll call it logic question. There is no rule, okay? Please understand, there's no rule, because f of xy is not equal to f of x plus f of y, so it has nothing to do with logarithm and all. You just need to apply some logic and solve this question. So if you can solve this question, guys, you stand strong chance to cross 90 plus percentile, because for last 8-9 years, if I observe, of course I have been training students for 12 years, but I have given this question to every student of mine in every batches, and only few students have scored, and I have observed that they have crossed 90 percentile. Some of them have got 99 plus percentile, then 95 plus, and so on and so forth. So accept this challenge and solve it. And if possible, you can also tell me your steps. Even if we spend the complete session on this question, that's still worth. But unfortunately we are live, so we can't do it that way. So Robin, this is what I was talking about. You should give time for such question. Don't give up, because the answer will be just here and there. Awesome, Dhoni. Then never say this thing, Dhoni, that I'm good at TSD. TSD is the easiest topic that you will ever find. It's completely application of average and ratios and proportionality. So just a moment, guys, I think it is stopping. Okay guys, is there any lag, or is everything fine? Can you hear me, or there is a lag? Quickly tell me if there is any lag. Okay, Varshini is saying 1/4. Great. So all of you have got the answer. Fine. Let me explain in case if you didn't get it correct way, please pay attention. So guys, one thing that is given is f of x into y is equal to f of x into f of y, right? I know f of 2 is given as 4. Okay, the f of 2 is given as 4, right? Just a second. Okay, so let me just write over here f of 2 is equal to 4. Can I say f of 2 is nothing but f of 2 into 1, which is equal to f of 2 into f of 1? Yes or no? Right? Okay, so this f of 2 will remain as it is, this f of 2 as it is into f of 1. So of course I'll get f of 1 is equal to 1. This is the first thing. Yeah, hi Madhumita. So this is the first conclusion. Okay, now let's understand it this way. We need to find out f of 1 by 2, right? Okay, can I say we'll still have to get something. Can I say f of 2, f of 4 is nothing but f of 2 into f of 2? And what is f of 2? It's 4. So this will come out to be 16. Yes, everyone? Okay. So we can find out over here f of 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to, in fact we will not require this step, you can exclude this step. 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to f of 4 into f of 1 by 2. Okay, and this is nothing but f of 2, right? This is f of 2. So what is f of 2? It's 4, of course. So plug in 4 over here. What is f of 4? It's 16. So f of 1 by 2. So you will get f of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. So we actually don't require this step. If you go by this one, you could have done it this way, guys. Probably you can also do it this way. F of, if we have found out f of 1, so I can do it as f of 1 into 1 by 2. Correct? Maybe, but then again will not get. Okay. So yeah, you can do it this way. F of 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to f of 2 into f of 1 by 2. And now this is 1. So of course we know f of 2 is 4 into f of 1 by 2. So again you will get f of 1 by 2 as 1 by 4. So either you can do it this way or you can do it this way. There are two ways. This is also correct, or you can do it this way also. This is also correct. Guys, have you all understood? Show me a thumbs up if you all have understood this before we go to next one. Yeah, great. So let's go ahead. Yeah, chalo. This is again a tough question. Tough. Yep. How about others? Yeah, very Sumit and yeah, Robin. Varshini is there, of course, I can see. Sumit, I didn't hear anything from you. Are you there? Hi, Madhumita. So try for this question. Sumit, you have a question. You are asking how can I clear my basics of quant? Sumit, I have given you that URL. In case if you don't know, everyone, please go to this one. tinyurl.com/RONAK-sir. Just go to this one and you will find one Excel. You will find one Excel sheet with all my links of all my videos classified by topics. You will find first 13-14 videos of basics of maths, basics of quant. Please complete that series. Watch all the 13 videos of basics of quant. Trust me, it will start from very basics and it will go till really a good level. So I'll suggest that you go for this. Yes, Dhwani, that's correct. So it's option A. Absolutely fantastic. How about others? Okay, so guys, if you want to solve this, if I am to solve this question, what I'll do is I'm not getting any clue, right? So what I'll do is I'll try to find out some values. Of course, f of 1 is 3600. F of 1 is 3600. Okay, now let's understand what is f of 2. How to find out f of 2. So can I say if I want to find out f of 2, I'll have to take n equal to 2. So it will be f of 1 plus f of 2, which is equal to 2 square into f of 2. See, I'm just using this formula. If you go up to n, then you will have to write f of 1 plus f of 2 up to f of n on left hand side, and right hand side will be n square into f of n. So if I'm taking n equal to 2 over here, so I'll write it this way. Same way, if I take n equal to 3 over here, so I'll write it this way: f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3, which is equal to 3 square into f of 3. I'll just write couple of steps for your understanding. Same way, if I take n equal to 4, so this will be f of 1 to f of 4, which is equal to 4 square into f of 4, and so on and so forth. Now if you observe, guys, we know f of 1 is 3600, and this is 4f of 2. 4f of 2 minus this f of 2. So it's going to be 3f of 2 equal to 3600. So can I say f of 2 will come out to be 1200? Or I can say f of 2 is equal to f of 1 divided by 12. Correct? Same way, if I just try to find out f of 3, now tell me what is the value of f of 3. So f of 1, that is 3600. There is one more way. Instead of f of 1, you can replace it by x. So that will actually simplify your things. Okay, because here it is becoming too much of calculation. So let's take that as x. Let's assume f of 1 is x. So can I say f of 2 will be x by 3. Then f of 3. So this will come out to be 8f of 3. 9f of 3 minus f of 3, and f of 2 was x by 3, and this is x, right? So if you solve this thing, it will come out to be, let me just write down over here as x. So this will come out to be x by 6. Okay, same way you find out f of 4, so that will come out to be x by 10. Then find out f of 5, so it will come out to be x by 15. Just observe the pattern. You solve it and you will get these values. I've taken f of 1 as x instead of 3600. Otherwise, it would have taken lots of time in calculation. Now observe this pattern. 12, 6. Sorry, guys, this is wrong. Sorry. So this will come out to be what? X by 3. Okay, so 1, 3, difference is 2. Denominator, look at the denominator. It's 3. Then it's 4. Then it's 5. Right? So I want to find out f of 9. Right? So can I say I'll have to go up to summation 1. This is nothing but 1 plus 2. This is 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Same way, what is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 9? 45. So I need to find out x by 45. What is x? 3600. So 3600 by 45. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So guys, I'm trying to explain this pattern. So this will come out to be f of 9 will come out to be x by 45. So 3600 by 45, it's going to be 80. Are we clear, everyone? Yeah, show me a thumbs up if you all have understood this quickly. Yes, how about others? Sumit, Robin, Madhumita, Vashini, are you all clear? And yeah, do not forget to press the like button, guys. That's the ritual. Okay, so let's go ahead with the next one. Try for this. Yep. So solve this question and tell me the answer. This is again a CAT tough question. This, guys, you can call this question a tough question. Yep. Dhwani, have you solved all these questions earlier? Because the way you are answering, that's exceptional. Okay, because even I haven't seen some 99 percentiler answering question like this, the previous question. So I'm literally surprised. So I really hope you haven't solved this question and you are doing it afresh. If that's the case, then yes, what you said is correct. You stand strong chance to get 100 percentile if you can take care of your LRDI as well as the verbal. For this question, guys, let me give you one hint. This is the first hint. Put x equal to 2. And the second hint is put x equal to minus 7 by 4. And then do it. Yeah. Sumit, you didn't tell me how did you come to know about this channel CAT4MBA? Did any of your friend tell you? So guys, what's the answer for this question? So guys, if I just put x equal to 2, so I'll get 3 because I need to find out f of 4. So if I take x equal to 2, of course I'll get f of 4 over here, but then there will be a problem. You know, I'm just putting x equal to 2 over here. Plus 4 into f of 1 by 4, which is equal to 8. Now, how will I get this 1 by 4 value? That's my challenge. Okay. Fine, but then there are some other channels of Unacademy also. So how did you come across this particular channel, Sumit? Same way, if you take x equal to minus 7 by 4, great Dhwani, then it's good. Okay, so this x equal to minus 7 by 4, right? If I put that way, so I'll get 3 into f of 1 by 4 straight away, because instead of x, if I put minus 7 by 4, so minus 7 by 4 plus 2 will come out to be 1 by 4, right? So I'll get 3 of f of 1 by 4 plus 4 into f of, now x plus 2 over here. So again, it will come out to be 1 upon 1 by 4, which is nothing but 4, right? And this will be equal to minus 7. Isn't that, guys? Instead of x, I'm putting minus 7 by 4. So this will come out to be minus 7. And this is nothing but f of 4, right? So, so again, I can replace, I can say f of 4 is equal to, or you can directly solve these two equations maybe, and you can figure out, see, let me just write down this equation over here. So I'll get 4 into f of 4 plus 3 into f of 1 by 4 is equal to minus 7. Let's solve these two equations, simple. So we want to find out f of 4, so we'll cancel off this part. So let's multiply this one by 3 and this one by 4. So I'll get 9 plus 16, 25. F of 4, sorry, we'll have to subtract it. So yeah, if we subtract it, so we will get 16 minus 9, 7 f of 4, and this will be cancelled off. Okay, and this on the left hand side I'll get minus 28 plus minus 24. So f of 4 will be equal to minus 52 by 7. Acha. Okay, fine. So yes guys, so this is how we can solve questions. So yeah, there is one last question. This variety is left. I'm sure all of you have understood this. Have you all understood? Show me a thumbs up quickly so that we can go to next one. Yeah, so now this is the last maxima minima variety guys, and let me directly show you that this is one linear equation, this is another linear equation. If I consider this as y equal to this one, y equal to this one, so let me show you the graph of this. The graph of this one will be like this. See, this is the graph of y equal to 2 minus 3x, and this is the graph of y equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, and I have been asked to take maximum value of both. Now guys, please understand, let me show you this one in a simple manner. Say there are two lines. These are those two lines. Pay your attention and understand this part. You know, if I am asked to take maximum value, so up to this one, I'll take this values. I mean, for values of x up to this point, I'll take this value of f of x because this is f of x. And ahead of this one, I'll take this value of f of x. So can I say the minimum value will be always at the intersection? Yes or no? When you are asked to find out minimum value of maximum of these two, so it will always be at the intersection, right? An intersection will be at the point where both of these are equal. So what we need to do is we just need to equate this to 2 minus 3x equal to 2x plus 3. So if I just solve this thing, I'll get 5x equal to 1. Guys, ignore these options, please. Ignore these options. I'll get 5x equal to 1. Yep, or minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 by 5. And just plug in that value in any one of the equations. So 2 minus 3 into minus 1 by 5. So this will come out to be 2 plus 3 by 5, which is 13 by 5. And if you check, this point is that 13 by 5. So here it is coming the minimum. Because we are going to take these values. These are the set of values that we are going to consider. Now for this one, your algebra should be good. In case if you are not able to understand this question this way, then just remember one point guys. Whenever you come across such questions, maximum of two linear expressions, you just need to equate them. So equate this to 2 minus 3x equal to 2x plus 3 and find out value of x. So it will come out to be minus 1 by 5. Just plug in this value of x in either this one or this one, and that will be your minimum value. As simple as that. So answer will come out to be, these are wrong options by the way, answer will be 13 by 5. नहीं ध्वनि इतना भी मत सोचो, ठीक है? 100 percentile is not like that. See, you just need to keep going. Even if you are not able to solve one question, if you take it personally, if you think too much on that, trust me, you will get a negative drift, right? So just keep going in one direction in actual exam also. So if you observe, I mean, to get 99, to get 100 percentile, what you need to score? Something about 240. Because around 10 students get 100 percentile and most of them, so one might have got 261, then 252, this kind of scores, very weird scores, right? So ultimately you have liberty of leaving what you are not getting 60 marks, so you are leaving 20 questions, you are not solving 20 questions, isn't that? You need to solve 80 questions to get this. So anyway, you don't need to solve all questions. But yeah, how is your English? It also depends on that. Okay. So guys, I hope all of you have enjoyed today's session. That's it for today. And yeah, we'll keep practicing again tomorrow. Tomorrow we are starting with the next part. This function is over, so we are starting with logarithm. So tomorrow we are going to discuss logarithm questions. Be there. Again, it's going to be very useful session. And evening 5 o'clock we are starting with 3D. So Dhwani, in case if you are not aware, you can quickly download Unacademy app and you can follow my profile. yeah, you can also go for subscription if you want, so that you can get test series and leaderboard and you can interact with me. So this is how you can do it, and you can attend my sessions. Download Unacademy learning app from Play Store, install it, and after that you select your goal as CAT, click on subscription, and you will see various plans. If you want, you can go for this 3 months or 12 months plan. 6 months plan is I'll not recommend. Okay, and these are the pricing, and you can apply this referral code. This is my referral code. You will get 10% waiver and you will be able to attend all my courses. These are some of our other courses, so you can tell your friends and relatives about that. And yes, once again, so these are yeah, if you have downloaded the app, you can attend my special session, so make sure that you have downloaded that. Once again, these are my timings, so you can quickly note down. Afternoon on YouTube is not there, just in the evening and Saturday marathon. Unacademy app, these are my timings. And yeah, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. In fact, you can post it on your Facebook or Instagram page so that we can spread out to maximum people. Okay, and this is our channel where you are watching it right now. You can also be part of our Telegram group. So guys, let's crack it, and adios for today. See you next time.